Malaysia's bond market ecosystem and infrastructure. Malaysia has a well-developed bond market ecosystem. Various integral infrastructure and institutions were established to facilitate the issuance and investment in the bond market. Malaysia's bond market ecosystem can be categorized into three levels: pre-issuance, primary market, and secondary market. At pre-issuance level, companies who plan to issue bonds in the market will appoint an advisor from investment banks for consultation on the bond issuance process, from meeting the legal requirements to determining the fair price of bond to be issued. Before being able to legally issue the bond in the market, the companies need to get an approval from Malaysia's capital market regulator, the Securities Commission SC Malaysia. The SC has the power to enforce the law that regulates the capital market and sue any entities who break the law. A trustee will be appointed to monitor compliance by the issuer on its obligations and also oversee the coupon and principal payments to be made as scheduled and protect the interest of bond investors in the event of default. Credit rating agencies provide an independent assessment on creditworthiness of bonds issued by government and corporations. The credit risk of the bond will be monitored by credit rating agencies throughout the bond's tenure as long as the issuer agreed to be rated. After all the requirements at the pre-issuance level are met, issuers will proceed to issue the bond for the first time in the primary market. For primary market issuance in Malaysia, issuers will go to the fully automated system for issuing, tendering, FAST, which is regulated and administered by Bank Negara Malaysia. On FAST, only principal dealers are authorized to purchase the bond from the issuer. These principal dealers will then resell the bond to eligible institutional investors and retail investors. The secondary market is a market where investors buy and sell already issued bonds with other investors. A broker will act as an intermediary between investors in the transactions. Malaysia's bond market ecosystem is also supported by Bond and Sukuk Information Exchange, BIX Malaysia, and Bond Pricing Agency Malaysia, BPAM. Bond Pricing Agency Malaysia, BPAM, is the premier source to get evaluated prices and data for the Malaysian fixed income market. They also publish the most comprehensive and reliable bond index series to measure the performance of the ringgit bond market. BIX Malaysia is an information platform for bond and sukuk securities in Malaysia. With its advanced search engine, it provides investors with a comprehensive and detailed information and data on ringgit bond and sukuk. BIX Malaysia also has a learning center to educate the public on bond and sukuk investment, and it's available at its website address www.bixmalaysia.com.